Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we are excited to show you how to make your very own rug using those old clothes you no longer wear. It's a fun and sustainable way to breathe new life and add a touch of warmth to your home decor. To get started, gather your materials. Old cloths, think t-shirts, jeans and sweaters, scissor, a non-slip rug pad and a sewing machine or needle and thread. First, sort through your old cloths and select the ones you would like to use for your rug. Choose a variety of colors and texture to add interest to your design. Next, cut your cloths into strips. You can make them as wide or narrow as you'd like, but keep in mind that wider strips will result in a thicker, full filler rug. If you are using t-shirts, you can cut them into continuous strips by cutting a spiral around the shirt. Once you have your strips cut, it's time to start braiding. Take 3 strips and knot them together at one end. Then begin braiding them together tightly. As you braid, periodically add in new strips to lengthen your braid. Continue braiding until you have a long, sturdy rope of fabric. Once your braid is long enough to form the size of rug you want, coil it into spiral shape, stitching it together as you go to hold it in place. This will form the base of your rug. Continue coiling and stitching your braid until you have covered the entire surface area of your rug. If you want a thicker rug, you can add additional coils on top of the first layer. Once your rug base is complete, trim any excess fabric and secure the ends with a few stitches to prevent unraveling. Finally, place your rug on a non-slip rug pad to keep it in place and admire your handiwork. You have turned old cloths into a beautiful and functional piece of decor that's sure to be conversation starter. So, why not give it a try? Raid your closet for those old clothes and get braiding. It's a fun and rewarding project that will give your home a cozy personalized touch. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations for more inspiring videos.